Welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you the full process inside this factory and how everything is made step by step.
Inside the massive 50 million molar Instant Noodles Factory, producing 100,000 packs per hour.
Inside this $50 million facility, the dough is precisely thinned, producing over 100,000 packs every hour.
Inside the massive $50 million Instant Noodles Factory, producing 100,000 packs per hour. Inside the massive $50 million Instant Noodles Factory, 100,000 packs per hour. This state-of-the-art facility produces an astonishing 100,000 packs every hour. Inside this massive $50 million Instant Noodles Factory, they produce 100,000 packs every hour. Here in the logistics hub, forklifts move pallets at incredible speed to meet the demand of 100,000 packs per hour. Inside the massive 50M Instant Noodles Factory, 100,000 packs per hour.
We have the full count for the noodle shipment, confirmed on the manifest.
Perfect. Move it to zone 4 and start on the next pallet.
Inside this $50 million factory, raw ingredients are transformed. The automated lines run non-stop.
We have a slight bottleneck forming at the drying stage here.
I see it. Adjusting the conveyor speed now.
Every hour, 100,000 packs are sealed and prepared for distribution, showcasing the immense scale of this operation.
Inside the massive $50 million Instant Noodles Factory, producing 100,000 packs per hour.
Easy, easy. Bring it left just a touch. All right, set it down.